actors here. Thank you so much, and we love all of you. Thank you.
Doc, any message to your fans?
Actually, maalala siguro na madaming tao yung meet and greet namin sa Glorieta and last week sa Davao. Sobrang dami mga Cebuano nag-message. Paano naman ang mga tiga Cebu, mga Cebuano? So sinabi namin, next week we will be there. Sobrang dami nila talaga. And we're glad that, all of you guys came here. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. There you have it. Team Kramer. Anything else, Jessica? Yes. What? They speak Minion according to Doug, so is that what they just... What? What is that? What did you say, little girl? What did you say? What? Say thank you to everyone. Okay, you will have a chance to meet and greet Team Kramer in a few moments. Okay, thank you so much, guys. And I know you guys need to freshen up and all that stuff. Oh, what's going on? Oh. You guys are a bundle of joy.
Wala na, it's so good. You're not allowed to say poo-poo.
Thank you so much, guys. We will have a meet.
Parang playroom lang namin talaga. Come on.
Okay, what happened to the butterfly? What happened to the butterfly?
I got Scarlet's butterfly.
And are you going to give it back to her? Yes? It's yours now? But you can't attach it to because it doesn't have a thing there at the back. Okay.